Want to be a supporter of Highland Weather? Join us on Patreon for as low as $3 per month or as high as $20 per month at patreon.com/Highland Weather. Alrighty, hello everyone, Chief Forecaster Beckett Webb here inside the Highland Weather Studios. Happy Friday, happy January 3rd. Thank you guys so much for tuning in here. We have a lot to talk about. Let's go ahead and get started here with the latest weather. I'm tracking your flurries to start the morning. Brutally cold wind chills tonight. We could see wind chills as low as 10, maybe even below 0 in some locations tonight. So make sure you got that jacket ready. Cold temperatures return, and some models are saying a possible ice storm this weekend, but it's something that we're continuing to watch. We are not going to go out there and say that an ice storm is expected. It's still up in the air depending on temperature. As we get out the door here, we can see temperatures in the mid to upper 20s as many of us return to school or work. Temperatures in the mid to upper 20s with mostly sunny skies. Then we see the return of almost sunny skies. Temperatures a little bit colder in the mid to upper 30s, warming up into the upper 30s around 5 p.m., dropping back into the lower 30s and mid 20s around midnight. Let's go ahead here and take a look at our futurecast. Starting off the morning here, we can see around 9 a.m. the snow showers start to make its way into our region. Just a few snow showers. Then we see a little bit of moderate to very heavy snowfall starting to fall, mainly along the North Carolina-Tennessee state line. Tapers off around like 5 p.m. this evening before those brutally cold wind chills. And a little bit of snow flurries for some locations starts to pop up into the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. Then we see a little bit of a clearing tomorrow, and maybe a stray cloud may be possible, but then we finally clear up early to late morning Saturday. Looking at the overall forecast today, we can see sprinkles, maybe even some flurries. Chance is low with mostly sunny skies with highs in the lower 40s. Tonight's low is going to be cold. That's not even talking about the wind chill. With lows in the upper to mid teens, with wind chills possibly even below 10 degrees. So some very cold temperatures. Looking at the weekend forecast here on our Saturday, we can see sunny skies, highs in the mid 30s, lows in the lower 20s. Then Sunday, we see the return of showers with mostly sunny skies. I'm not going to rule out the possibility of some mixed precipitation for the Sunday night. Keep it tuned here. We'll provide you with the latest, with highs in the lower 40s and lows in the mid to lower 30s. Looking at the latest snow chance here, they've decided to up the chances. Here we can see January 10th through the 16th, mainly along the 10th. We can see a slight risk for some heavy snowfall here within our broadcast region. Again, this is not a forecast. This is from the Climate Prediction Center. We're continuing to watch here. It's too early to say. We're not going to send out any possibilities. We're not even going to say it's possible. We're not even going to send out the accumulation. It is way too early at this time to say what we're going to get. Not just that, tonight, mainly this morning, that header's wrong. We can see some snow showers are expected as high elevation northwest flow starts to move in. We can see some places even seeing 3 to 4 inches possible, 1 or 2 inches. Mars Hill, just about 1 inch. Asheville, all of you guys are just going to miss it. The accumulations will mainly be along the North Carolina-Tennessee border, around 3,000 feet, my mistake. But up to 4 inches is possible at 5,000 feet. Again, wind chill below 0 possible in the higher elevations Friday. Again, ice accumulations are another possible and another way of concern that we're continuing to watch. Here we can see up in Newland, we can see ice accumulation to 0.02 inches. Robbinsville, all the way even into Asheville, we could see a little bit of accumulation of ice. But we're continuing to watch the situation and provide you with the latest. Out of all here, looking at a 7-day forecast here, we can see highs in the mid 40s, lower 40s, lows in the mid to upper teens Friday. Sprinkles and mostly sunny skies, highs with a 10% chance. Sunny conditions return Saturday with highs in the lower 30s and lows in the upper to mid 20s. Showers return back into the forecast on Sunday with highs in the lower 40s and lows in the mid 30s, about an 80% chance. Then we can see Monday, showers, even mixed precipitation possible, highs in the lower 40s, lows in the lower 20s. Then we see those sunny conditions continue back into the forecast Tuesday all the way through Thursday. Cold temperatures, highs in the mid to lower 30s, not even reaching above freezing on Thursday, with lows in the upper, even to lower teens. So some very cold temperatures. All right, everyone, I'm Chief Forecaster Beckett Webb here. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all on our Monday forecast. All right, everyone, have a great weekend.